Let us see some interview questions based on Node.js. So first one is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like APA, or PHP? So Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. Unlike traditional server-side technologies like APA, or PHP, Node.js allows you to run JavaScript on the server side. Its non-blocking, event-driven architecture makes it suitable for handling multiple requesting simultaneously, which is ideal for real-time applications like chat apps or online gamings, etc. So the next one is, what is a callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? So a callback function in Node.js is a function that is passed as an argument to another function. So it is executed after the completion of that function. So it is a way to ensure that certain codes does not execute until other codes are already finished execution. So we can say that the callback function in Node.js is very commonly used in asynchronous programming. So the next one is, what is the purpose of package.json file in a Node.js project? So my answer is, the package.json file is a central configuration file for a node.js project. It holds metadata relevant to project and it is used to manage the project's dependencies, scripts, versions and other settings, etc. So there is an example package.json code also here there. So the next one is, uh, explain the difference between requires and import statements in node.js. What and why you use over the other? So my answer is require. It is used for common JS syntax that is used in node.js for including modules. It is synchronous and can be used at any point in a code. In JavaScript, it says const express is equal to require of express. The next one is import. Import is a ES6 module syntax used for importing modules. It is asynchronous and must be used at the top of the file. It supports statics analysis and tree shaking also. So we are using these, both are in over the time, and we can convert the ES6 code for compatibility also. So the next one is, what is the middleware in the context of express.js? Can you give me an example of how would you use middleware in your example application? Yes, I will give that. That is, middleware is a express.js is a function that has access to request and response objects, and it is a next middleware function in the application's request response cycle. So it can execute code and modify the request and response objects also, end of the request response cycle, or call the next middleware function. Here I will mention the example also. So the next one is, uh, what is the RESTful app API and how can you create one using node.js and express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. RESTful APIs, that means representational state transfer, is a architectural style for designing networked applications. It is used standard HTTP methods to perform CRUD, that means create, read, update, delete operations on resources. So the main HTTP methods are get, post, put, delete. Get is used to retrieve data from the server. Post is used to submit the data to the processed by the server. Put is used to update existed data on the server. Delete is used to remove the data from the server. So you can create the RESTful APIs using Node.js and the Express.js also in the JavaScript. The next one is, what is the purpose of the Node Package Manager (NPM) and how do you use it to manage dependencies in Node.js project? So NPM, Node Package Manager, is a tool for managing packages, that is libraries or modules, for Node.js applications. It helps in installing, updating, and managing dependencies. To manage dependencies, we have to initialize a project using npm init, initialize a package using npm install package name, using install development packages, and that package can be updated by us. And if it does not remove it does not uh, important to us, then we have to remove that package. Then of next question is, why is it important to hash passwords in a web application? So, hashing passwords is crucial for security reasons. So, when passwords are hashed, protection from data breaches. If the database is comprised, hashed passwords cannot be easily reverse engineered. So, prevent plain text storage. Storing plain text passwords is a significant security risk. Hashing ensures that even if the database is accessed, then the actual passwords are not exposed. Secure comparisons are also here. Using bcrypt for hashing in node.js. In JavaScript also we have to use this, and we have compared the passwords by using this. Then after that, result is also, if the result is true, then the password is matched. If password doesn't match, then the result is false. For this, this is the implementation using this hashing passwords. So these are the interview questions mentioned here for node.js. Thank you.